Hey everybody, it is your girl Coach Cheryl and welcome to a new series that I'm doing that I'm calling the 5-Minute Masterclass. That's right, 5 minutes where we're going to jump right in and give you tutorials on social media, digital media, and live streaming. No fluff, just lessons. So let's quit all the banter and jump into the tutorial. So for our first tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to add graphics, lower thirds, all the good things into Ecamm Live. So what you see is I'm in live demo mode and you can see all of the options that I have before me. So as you can see on the right hand side of my screen, which may be your left, you'll see a dialog box that says overlays. If you've already created your overlays, you can simply go to that dialog box and pull it into your present live stream. Or if you don't already have them there, let's say you have them on your desktop or somewhere else, how do you pull those in? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on this first picture that you see, this picture icon, and we're going to click there and you'll see, boom, it pulls up a dialog box. And so wherever you have them on your desktop, you can just go to that file folder. So I'm going to click on graphics, and inside my graphics, you'll see I have lower third templates. And so I'll just select one and then just click open and boom. Lower third is added. Isn't that super simple? So that is how you add it just from your desktop. And when you want to take it off of your live stream, all you'll simply do is go here where it says show in current scene. You'll see one PNG. Just click on that eye and it's gone. Add it again, click on the eye, and it is there. That is how super simple it is to add a lower third. On your lower thirds, it doesn't have to be this size. I can make this lower third whatever size I want to be, even if in my design software I made it the full lower third. But I can just select this lower third, move it, and I can resize it to be whatever size. So if I don't want it to be the entire lower third and I just want it to be, let's say, in the middle like this, I can do it like that. However I want that lower third to be, wherever I want it to be located, I can actually move it. And so you aren't just stuck with one size lower third or one position for a lower third. I can put this wherever I want it. And you see how those guys are telling me where I am, that I'm right in the center, that I'm right on the edge. Those grids are going to help me position this particular lower third or any graphic appropriately. But let's say you just want to add a simple graphic that talks about something that you have upcoming in your ministry. You can simply select that same picture icon and let's find something else. Let's go back to graphics and let's click on that. Now there it is inside of your live stream. But see how big that is? Y'all can't even see me. So what do? I can just simply click on the corners of that and I can resize this graphic however big or small that I need it to be. And then I can position it wherever I want to. So what I often tell people to do, live streamers, people that are content creators, podcast creators, is to size them beforehand, before you go live, put them exactly where you want them to appear on the screen. And then when you go live, it'll be the exact size that you need it to be. So I hope that 5-minute masterclass was super helpful to you. If this has blessed you, or if you found value in this, I want you to go ahead, click that like button so that YouTube knows that you appreciate learning in 5 minutes or less. See you next time.